Hello, grade 3. How are you? Today we will take chapter 15, lesson 1. Okay? Open your science book, page 423. What are some patterns that repeat every day? You know that every day there is light during the day. Yeah? Followed by what? Darkness at night. If the day is sunny, you might notice shadows. Yes? Day, night, and shadows are caused by light from the sun and the movement of what? Of earth. Yes, very good. The sun. You see the sun where? In the sky. Very good. The sun in the sky on cloudy days too. On the sunny days you can see the sun, and cloudy days also you can see sun. What is the meaning of sun? Teacher, I know that the sun is a star. Yes. The sun is a star. Sun is a giant ball of hot glowing gases. If you think of a plate that is almost round, the sun would be its center. Okay? You know, grade 3, that the sun is the main source of light and energy for Earth? Yes. Earth is very small. You know that the Earth is very small compared to the sun. But like the sun, Earth is shaped like a ball also. Okay? Listen.
Hi! My friends and I are curious to know about the day and night cycle. Don't you want to know why we have the day and night cycle? Come, join us on our trip and explore this wonder of the universe. We will learn that day and night cycle is a natural phenomenon that takes place on the Earth. Planets in the solar system are in constant motion and they revolve around the sun. All these planets, including the Earth, also rotate on their own respective axis. This rotation results in day and night on the Earth.
Yes, Earth spins. If you stand outside grade 3, you don't feel as if you are moving, but you are. Earth is always moving. One way it moves is that it spins around an imaginary line. Yes, the ends of the line would stick out of Earth at the North Pole and at the South Pole. This imaginary line around which Earth spins as its axis. The Earth turns in a counterclockwise. Again, the Earth turns in a counterclockwise direction. This is the opposite direction to the way the hands of a clock move. We could also say that Earth turns from west to east. Listen.
Check this out. The world time zone map shows that it is daytime on some continents, while it is nighttime on the others. How does this happen? Come, let us look at the position of the Earth with reference to the Sun to understand this phenomenon. The Sun is in a fixed position in the solar system. The Earth, as you know, constantly rotates on its own axis, which is an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole through the center of the Earth. This rotation is from west to east and takes 24 hours to complete. Due to this rotation and positioning of the Earth and the Sun,
Yes, grade 3. You know that the Earth makes one complete spin or rotation on its axis every 24 hours. During this time, half of Earth faces the Sun. That half of Earth has day. Okay? The half of Earth that is not facing the Sun has night. As Earth spins or rotates, a different parts of Earth faces the Sun. Earth rotates at the same speed every day of the year. You may have noted that the number of hours of sunlight and darkness changes during the year. Okay? Listen.
so happens that only one part of the Earth can face the Sun at any given time. Hence, The part that faces the sun has day, while it is night on the other side of Earth that is facing away from the sun. Thus, the rotation of the Earth changes day into night and night into day again. However, that part of the Earth which has night time is illuminated by the moon. But the moon does not make its own light. Just as sunlight strikes the surface of the Earth, it does that of the moon as well. The moon reflects this light onto the Earth during night. This explains the day and night cycle. It's time to get back home. Summary. Today we learnt about the day and night cycle. The Earth revolves around the sun and is constantly spinning on its axis. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Only one part of the Earth faces the sun at any given time. Thus, the part of the Earth facing the sun has day, while the other part has night.
Okay, grade 3. Now, who can solve the checkpoint? What is Earth's axis? Yes, it's an imaginary line with one end sticking out of Earth at the North Pole and the other end at the South Pole. Yes, Earth spins in its axis. Yes, very good. Thank you, grade 3. Bye-bye.